This is the Jammy, a MIDI controller guitar that allows you to play the piano, the drums, or wow, the guitar. But even though I like its slick, minimalistic design, the Jammy doesn't fit on my guitar rack, and it's nothing compared to my other guitars. There's gotta be a better way to do this. Introducing the Jammy Custom Shop. Hi, my name's Tom, and due to my unemployment and quarantine, I have too much free time on my hands. That's why I started asking myself the question, what would happen if a Strandberg and a Jammy guitar made sweet, sweet love? Well, it did happen, and 9 months later, this thing was born. The Jammy Custom Shop with the Strandberg Bowden mod. Anyway, this is the Jammy Custom Shop. It consists of course, the Jammy neck, fitted with 3D printed connecting pieces that connect to pressboard glued body mods. This one's a Strandberg Bowden. They are sanded down on the sharper edges. They got a coat of varnish so they don't waste too fast. And due to the connectors and this design, I can fit any guitar body I want onto the Jammy neck. So if you would like that too, please call me or leave a comment in the subscription bar.